everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Kid Joy. On today's episode, we'll be making Boston Cream Pie. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna pour the vegetables oil.
The vegetable oil, pour it in there. Don't be scared. Stir it at the same time. There you go.
I need to hold it.
Oh, you gotta hold the bowl.
Yep.
Don't make a mess. You have to finesse it, man. You gotta finesse it.
Is that okay? No, that isn't it.
All right.
Gotta be real careful because.
Add the vanilla.
Now let's add the vanilla. Oh.
Now crack your eggs into the same cup. Crack your eggs in there. Add 3 eggs.
Okay. Do I need to stop stirring? I gotta be really hard on this. Yeah,
Baking is definitely a way to get out your emotions.
Gentle, gentle.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks. Hey, YouTube. What's up? Can I use a little bit of help, please?
Oh, you want some help now?
Yeah.
Your arm's getting tired, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah.
My arm's getting tired. I know that feeling.
Yeah.
That's how you build muscles. Keep going.
Here's the yellow cake for the Boston cream pie. Now we're gonna let it cool for 2 hours. Now for our Boston cream pie, we make the filling. So let's just pour this in there. Now let's add vanilla. Now let's add cornstarch to the sugar. Okay. Is it stuck? What? What? Oh my God. I'm spilling some. Now let's crack the eggs. Oh my God. Now let's beat them up. Now let's pour the sugar and the eggs.
Stir.
Get all that sweetness in there. My leg. I meant not my leg. My arm. It's tiring. Now we add sugar to the scalded milk.
Stir. Stir while you pour it. Now you don't never grab it, man. There you go. I thought you do the same thing to the milk that you just did to the eggs.
Now my dad is going to temper the eggs. Yeah, mix it up, Dad. Oh, he's going, Dad, you're going real fast. Why you want to stir it real fast? Dad, why do you want to stir it real fast?
Now you bring it over here and finish it in the bowl. Now you want to bring this to a simmer just below a boil and let that get thick. So to answer your question, you want to stir this vigorously to keep the eggs from becoming scrambled at the bottom. So you constantly stir it until this thing gets thick. You don't want to stop stirring.
Or else it'll get scrambled pudding.
Yeah, basically.
Scrambled eggs pudding.
Yep. And you can burn milk, so you don't want to burn the milk, and you don't want to make the egg scramble and settle at the bottom. So you constantly stir this really fast.
It's making a whirl. Oh no!
See how nice and thick that is? It's really thick. That's what you want. Now let's cut this off. Let it continue to cook. And when this cools, it's going to be a nice thick pudding for Boston cream pie.
Now you want to spread your pudding for maximum surface area.
This helps in cooling off the pudding really fast.
It's like a big pancake.
Yeah, I just need the heat to dissipate as fast as possible.
Now refrigerate it for approximately 1 hour. First, we scald some milk.
That's about 1/3 cup.
Now we break up the chocolate bars.
So remember, it's 3 parts chocolate to 1 part scalded milk, cream, half and half, or whatever you want to use.
Now we're gonna cut the cake.
Hold that cake steady. Hold it still. You don't want to miss a finger. Oh, hold still. Oh, you gotta be quicker than that.
Oh, baby.
Hold it. Hold it. Pow. All right, go back under there.
That looks like a pancake.
Yeah.
Except in a hole in it.
We can eat that later.
Yep.
All right, so we got the top layer removed. Now you go halfway down. I'm gonna come out right about here.
What?
Yeah.
Why do you want to cut in that part?
Where you think the filling's gonna go? The filling goes right in the middle. Right in the middle.
Are you sure about that?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. Here we go, buddy. Here we go. Look at there. Pow!
Don't make sure you cut yourself. That's probably gonna look like a sandwich.
And now we're gonna put the cream right in here.
Yeah.
There we go. All right.
That looks like a sandwich.
So now we're gonna melt the chocolate.
That milk is gonna reduce.
Melted that. Melt it into smithereens.
I'm melting it. I'm melting it. Uh-oh, splashing. Really? Is that what we're doing? Is that what we're doing?
Yes.
Now we're going to take the pudding and put it on the bottom layer.
Take it close to the edge, but not all the way. And then you put the top layer back on. There you go.
Now we're going to put the chocolate on top.
That looks like a sandwich, but except it has chocolate on top.
That's basically what it is.
A cake sandwich?
Yeah, Boston cream pie. There you go. Here's your Boston cream pie.
Yep.
So here's our Boston cream pie. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.